Hi there. Today we will talk about limits at infinity. The first three possibilities, um, they are related to if we are taking the limits of a rational number. That means we are taking a rational function with a polynomial top. Top and bottom. So the first three conditions or first three scenarios are related to that. Let's understand one by one. The three possible cases would be same numerator or denominator. What does that mean? For the same, that means when the polynomial, they have the same power in the numerator and denominator. For example, let's take into consideration 5x squared plus 2x over 3x squared plus x. You can see here that the power right here is 2 and we have 2 here. So both numerator and denominator, the highest power of numerator and denominator, they are same. So highest power of numerator and denominator are same, right? What will happen? My answer will be just the coefficient. So for the same, the answer is coefficient. When we are talking about the numerator, we are talking about the numerator when the numerator's power is greater than denominator's power. How? For the numerator, let's take one example like this. x4 plus 4x squared and 3x. You can see right here that the numerator, it has the highest power of 4, but in the denominator, the power is only 1. So in these kind of scenarios, when the numerator's power is greater than the denominator, what will happen? The resultant limit would be at infinity. Let's take the scenario for the denominator. So for the denominator, what we are trying to say that the power of denominator, the highest power of denominator is greater than the highest power of numerator. Let's change the scenario. And if I change the scenario, let's say 4x squared right now the highest power of the numerator is 2, but the highest power of the denominator is 5, and 5 is greater than 2. So in these type of cases, what will happen? My resultant infinity will be nothing but 0. Okay. So these are the three easy and quick check just by looking at the question, and you can understand what should be the answer. Now the fourth case, if the function is oscillating, when it oscillates, sine and cos function, they oscillate. So if we have something to find for sine x, I know limit at infinity for sine x because it oscillates up and down, right? It doesn't remain at static point. It keeps on changing. Limit does not exist. This is a quick and easy check, and if you understand this, most of the questions related to infinity, you can find the solution for the multiple choice in a really quick way. I hope it makes sense.